Hi, this is Jayanti, working as assistant professor in NRCM Engineering College, Hyderabad. Now I am going to explain the HackerRank problem, that is conditional statements in C. So here, in the objective they have given the importance of if, else if and else if ladder. So as we all know that if condition is used to check the statement, single statement. If else condition is used to check the statement. If the condition is true, it will execute the true statement, and if the condition is false, it will execute the false statement. So likewise else if ladder. So in order to check multiple conditions, we go for else if ladder. So the objective is, so the task is, we need to take a positive integer, that is n, positive integer n. So the conditions they have given is, if n is between 1 to 9, we need to print the lowercase English word of that number. For example, if n is 1, we need to print 1. If n is 2, we need to print 2. The second condition is, if n is greater than 9, we need to print just greater than 9. So this is the problem statement, task we need to do. So for that, the input format we need to take is a single integer, that is n. So we all know that the constraints are 1 to 10 power 9. N should be 1 to 10 power 9. In the output format, as we already discussed, if it is between 1 to 9, we need to print the lowercase word. Otherwise, we need to print greater than 9. See here, the sample input they have given 5. So 5 is less than 9. So the output will be the English word 5. So 8. 8 is less than 9. So the output will be 8, the English word. The third sample is 44. But it is greater than 9. So just we need to print greater than 9. So for this purpose, we need to use if else ladder. So in the answer, they are already given some statements. So in this, see here, char star n, end pointer, read line, string to long int. These are the things they have given. So why this is used is just to read the n value. See, let's see. Printf percentile d n. So if we run this code, see, they have taken 5 as input. We have printed it. So this entire code is used to read the n value. So instead of this, we can use simply scanf. So I am putting this in comments. And just I am reading n value. You all know that how to read an integer value, right? So this is the n value. This is scanf, and this entire code will be used as same. So this scanf is used to read the n value, and this entire thing will be used as to read the n value. So now I'll start with my code. So now we need to use else if ladder. So what they have asked means, if n equals to 1, printf, we need to print its English word. 1 slash n. Why slash n means in every time we need to print the next value, that's why. Else, if n equals to 2, printf 2, it's English word. Else if n equals to 3, printf, it's English word, that is 3. Else if n equals to 4, printf, it's English word, slash n. Else if n equals to 5, printf, it's English word, slash n. Else if n equals to 6, we need to print its English word, that is 6. Else if n equals to 7, printf 7. Else if n equals to 8, printf 8, which is its English word. Else if n equals to 9, printf 9. And if it is greater than 9, what we need to print? So else printf so see here, greater than 9, so G must be capital, slash n. So this is the else case for the last if. So let's run this code. See here, 5 is the input, its English word is printed. If we want to test the custom input, for example 44, greater than 9. So in this way we can test the custom input also. So next we submit code. All the test cases are satisfied. Thank you.